This is Computer 1500, Introduction to Computers. This is one of the assignments for Module 3 using Microsoft Office Word. I am creating this video using the Microsoft Office 365 that's provided through the college, and you would access this in your Gator Mail. So go to Gator Mail, click on the Windows icon, and then you get these apps and you would select Word. Okay, so I have already, you can download this. If you're unable to download this, please let me know, and then I can provide you the information, and then you can just create a blank document and then apply the changes. Okay, so what we're going to do with this assignment is we're going to apply the changes that are the instructions that are given in each line of text. So I'm just going to follow the instructions, change the font size of this text to 24. So I'm going to select this line. Now I can click and drag and select it, or I can triple click it and it will select the entire line of text. All right, you can see that I get this these commands that appear after I've selected the text, and I can use that by changing the size of the text to 24, or I can come up here to this ribbon and on the Home tab, and then I'm going to do this. I'm going to just select the size 24. So I've changed the font size of this line, this first line, to 24. Okay, so the next line, I'm going to select the line. I'm going to change it to bold. Again, I get this these commands that appear after you've selected the text. Then I'm going to go back up here to the Home tab, to this ribbon, and change that. All right, underline this line of text, and I'm going to just use the commands up here on the ribbon at the top. Now, I'm going to stop for just a moment. I'm using Microsoft Office 365 because that is a free application that's offered through the college. If you have Microsoft Suite on your computer and you have the Microsoft Office applications, the commands will appear a little differently. The ribbon is a little bit more, there are more commands available. But I'm just going to make the videos using the Microsoft Office 365. So I just want to acknowledge that if you have Microsoft, if you've purchased it, or if it came on your computer and you have the full Microsoft Office like 2021, or you're going to, these ribbons and the tabs will be displayed a little differently. All right, back to the instructions. Italicize this line of text and select the text. Come up here and select the italicize. Change this font, this line of text to Georgia. So this is where we would go to change the font, and I'm going to select Georgia. I see Georgia Pro, so just use that selection. The options are a little bit different for the full Microsoft Word. All right, we're going to select this line of text. I want to change it to the standard color blue. So in the font color, make sure you go to the standard colors down here, and we're going to select blue. All right, I want to highlight. I'm just going to click and drag to select this line of text. I want to highlight. So up here in the Home grouping, I'm going to select highlight, and I'm going to use the color yellow. All right, 3 more lines of text. I want to apply the title style to this line of text. And I do not see that option in the Microsoft Office 365. Let me make sure that it's not in one of these other ribbons. Okay, it is not. So I will not require this. All right. If you click on the more paragraph options, I don't see the styles grouping. So that is not something that we can do using the Microsoft 365. I apologize that I did not follow up on that before I created this assignment. Okay, so we'll skip these two, applying the title style and the heading style, and go to the last line where it says to apply all caps. And you have this option. This is to grow font, this is to shrink the font, but we want to apply all caps. So if you click on the more formatting options, you have change case is one of your options, and we're going to select uppercase. So it changes that to uppercase. And again, the way I got to that on Microsoft Office 365 is I click on these ellipse, these three dots here that gives us more options, and you can see there's the strike through, subscript, superscript, change case. We want to go to change case and then select uppercase, and that will change all of the letters to uppercase letters. Okay, so once you've completed applying the making the changes to each line, make sure that you save the document, and I'm going to save this as okay, gives you the option to share the document, and you can upload it. All right, I'm going to select rename, and I'm going to rename this document as Module 3 Microsoft Word Assignment 1. Okay, so use the option in Microsoft 365, select rename, and then you'll have to probably you can click and drag this when you go to submit the assignments. When you go to submit the assignment, you can open Microsoft 365 Word and then click and drag on the file and upload it in Canvas. Okay, that completes assignment 1.